Generate memes that go viral in 2025 algorithm trick. Forget the philosopher's stone. Forget cold fusion. The modern world's most sought-after, elusive, and frankly absurd alchemy is cracking the code for viral memes. It's a digital gold rush where fortunes and likes, shares, and fleeting internet fame are made and lost faster than you can say distracted boyfriend. But 2025? Oh, buckle up, buttercup. The meme landscape is evolving faster than a hyper-caffeinated cheetah, and the old rules are dissolving faster than a sugar cube in hot coffee. Want the real algorithm trick to generating memes that detonate across the digital sphere next year? Prepare for a journey equal parts insight, absurdity, and a healthy dose of comical truth. The chaotic crucible of virality. Why it feels like herding quantum cats. Let's be brutally honest. Predicting virality is like trying to nail jelly to a wall while blindfolded, riding a unicycle. What explodes today, say, a capybara casually sipping tea in a hot tub, might elicit nothing more than a confused shrug tomorrow. The algorithms powering our feeds, those inscrutable digital overlords at Meta, TikTok, X, and whatever new contender bursts onto the scene, are constantly shifting, learning, and reacting to our chaotic behavior. They're less like precise machines and more like moody, over-caffeinated art critics with severe ADHD. So, what fuels the fire in 2025? 1. The relentless rise of niche and micro-communities. The mass audience is fragmenting. Virality in 2025 often ignites within hyperspecific tribes. Think 18th century naval reenactors who also love synthwave, or people obsessed with perfectly organizing their sock drawers using KonMari methods. A meme deeply resonant within these microcosms can achieve critical mass internally before spilling over, propelled by the algorithm recognizing intense engagement within a defined group. The trick? Speak the tribe's secret language fluently and absurdly. A meme perfectly capturing the existential dread of choosing the right RPG character class? Gold. A deep-fried image mocking the specific sound a 2003 Honda Civic door makes? Potentially platinum. 2. AI-generated absurdity and the glitch aesthetic. AI image and video tools. Think Dall-E 4, Midjourney 6, Sora Pro, and their yet-unnamed successors are moving beyond realism into the realm of glorious, controlled chaos. Expect viral memes in 2025 to leverage this intentionally. Think cats with too many legs philosophizing about tax law, historical figures reimagined as contestants on a bizarre cooking show hosted by a sentient toaster, or hyperspecific glitches, visual artifacts, or nonsensical AI outputs that become ironic commentary on our tech-saturated lives. The trick? Don't just use AI. Weaponize its inherent weirdness. Find the beauty in the algorithmic malfunction. 3. Hypercontextual and fleeting meta-commentary. Memes move at light speed. By 2025, the shelf life of a trending topic meme might be measured in hours. The winners will be those creators who can instantly synthesize the cultural moment. A cringeworthy political gaffe, a baffling celebrity tweet, a bizarre new product launch, into a simple, shareable visual or video within minutes. It's less about perfect production and all about lightning-fast, witty relevance. Think of it as comedic journalism for the terminally online. 4. The evolved cringe and nostalgia mashups. Remember the early 2000s internet? The glitter text, the auto-playing MIDI music, the dancing baby gif? 2025 will see a sophisticated evolution of ironic nostalgia and cringe. It won't just be remembering bad graphics. It will be repurposing them with a knowing, layered wink. Imagine a corporate training video aesthetic used to explain quantum physics, or a "You've Got Mail" LOL soundbite punctuating a meme about existential dread. The key is juxtaposing the deeply uncool past with the anxieties or absurdities of the present. The algorithm trick, it's not what you think, but it is hilarious. All right, leaning close. You ready for the big secret? The legendary algorithm trick to guarantee virality in 2025? Here it is, distilled into pure, unadulterated, slightly ridiculous truth. There isn't one. Cue the sound of 1,000 content creators fainting. Seriously, the real trick is understanding that chasing the algorithm like a dog chasing its tail is a fool's errand. The algorithms are designed to find what engages humans. They mirror us in all our glorious, messy, unpredictable humanity. Trying to game them directly is like trying to please a capricious genie who speaks only in riddles and enjoys slapstick. The actual winning strategy, don't tell the bots. 1. Be obsessively human-centric. Stop thinking algorithm. Start thinking audience. What makes your specific niche laugh, gasp, groan, or feel seen? What shared experience can you exaggerate into absurdity? The algorithm trick is that algorithms love humans who love humans. Create for the tribe, not the machine. Authentic resonance is the ultimate engagement hack. 2. Embrace the minimum viable weirdness. Don't just be slightly funny. Be distinctly weird. Find your unique comedic angle. The stranger, the better, within your niche's tolerance. Are you the person who makes memes about medieval farming techniques applied to modern office life? Do it relentlessly and with conviction. Algorithms amplify difference that sparks reaction. Blandness is the true enemy of virality. 3. Speed plus authenticity, perfection. That hypercontextual meme about the news that broke 15 minutes ago, it doesn't need perfect Photoshop skills. It needs to be first and funny. A slightly blurry photo with genius text will outperform a flawlessly rendered image that arrives 3 hours late to the party. The algorithm rewards velocity, fueled by genuine wit. 4. Collaborate and cross-pollinate. The lone wolf meme creator is endangered. Virality in 2025 thrives on remix culture and collaboration. Jump on trends, but add your unique spin. Collaborate with creators in adjacent niches. A meme format born in vintage car restoration forums might go supernova when adopted by competitive cheese rolling enthusiasts. Algorithms love interconnected communities. Be a node in the network. 5. The cat juggling fallacy. The comical truth, here's the funniest part. Everyone searches for a technical trick, some secret hashtag combination, an optimal posting time revealed by AI, a specific filter. While data helps, the reality is often absurdly simple. Sometimes, a meme goes viral simply because it's so stupid it loops back to brilliance. A potato with googly eyes captioned, "I have seen the void. It is Spudley," could be the next big thing. The ultimate algorithm trick is accepting the inherent, glorious ridiculousness of it all. Don't overthink the absurd. Sometimes just throw the digital spaghetti at the wall and see what sticks, preferably spaghetti shaped like confused llamas. Conclusion: The alchemist's true secret. Generating memes that go viral in 2025 isn't about discovering a single magical algorithm trick. That's the clickbait dream, the digital snake oil. The true secret lies in becoming a keen observer of the human condition within your niche, embracing speed and authentic weirdness, and participating enthusiastically in the chaotic, collaborative, and fundamentally absurd ecosystem of online culture. The algorithms? They're just the overworked, slightly bewildered postal workers trying to deliver the mail. Memes, based on what addresses, engagement signals, are shouting the loudest. Your job isn't to hack the postal service. It's to create mail so interesting, so funny, so uniquely you, that people can't help but rip it open, show their friends, and plaster copies all over the digital neighborhood. So, put down the algorithm decryption manuals, pick up your metaphorical glue stick and googly eyes, and start creating with fearless, funny humanity. That's the only trick worth mastering. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have to make a meme about sentient toasters judging Baroque art. It just might be the next big thing, or it might vanish without a trace. Such is the glorious, ridiculous gamble of the viral meme alchemist. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.